खड़ा हुए आराम से मोटर।
बोलना चाहता हूँ भैया but the point is, I think it's a great opportunity. I would say it's a great opportunity for the cricket players and in general, and tennis ball players in particular. And it's a great concept, I would say. A great concept, great idea, great initiative from Deepak and the other members to have something like this. It's amazing. Something like Legend Z, where the gully cricketers, gully tennis ball cricketers, to be more precise, rubbing shoulders with the legends of the game, right? There is Harshal Gibbs here, there is Dilshan, there is several cricketers here, and of course more cricketers are joining as well in this league. I've heard that Aaron Finch is going to be part of this. Martin Guptill, Mackay Anthony, Ross Taylor. I mean, it's just amazing for the gully tennis ball cricketers to rub shoulders with these guys, and it's a fantastic idea, a great opportunity for these guys. And why I'm so happy about this idea is just that in this press conference, and also great to be with a few of my fellow cricketers as well. So thank you very much again for this opportunity, and I wish Legend Z T10 all the very best, and hope that this is not just 1 year; it's going to be a longer. It has to continue, right? So it has to continue not just for 5 years or 10 years, much longer. And who knows? Probably we might see a lot of players coming from this concept and going on to represent the franchise in the Indian Premier League, or going to represent their respective state in Ranji Trophy, and hopefully for the country. Having said that, just last one thing I would like to say. Bangalore, where I come from, we play a lot of tennis ball, and the best of the players who have played for India has started their cricketing career by playing tennis ball. Be it myself or Anil Kumble or the Ganesh or David Johnson, while going back even Gundappa Vishwanath, also I'm sure.
Planning to give 100% support to come and play with these gully cricketers. I wish all the best to all the organizers. This is very good concept for the, especially they are the all the roads, even Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh. When you are playing international cricket, they are playing the road with tennis ball. They are supporting us behind. They are the mainly fan for us. We are trying to give 100% to the gully cricketers. Thank you very much inviting me and participate this event. Again, I wish you all the best this tournament going success and every year and every year. Thank you very much.
We obviously have a lot of experience playing in these leagues. Obviously not in the league, just only leagues, but international cricket as we all did at one stage. I think for them it's obviously a stepping stone, maybe to higher honours, bigger and better things. But as youngsters, we all go back and, there was opportunity that we all wanted, and I think for the kids to play alongside us, I think it'll be a huge opportunity for them. And hopefully, they go on to bigger and better things. So I think obviously it's always a privilege, and to be part of any league in India. I mean, the sport is loved globally, but so much so in India. So it's lovely to be back here. I've also had a bit of a experience a couple of years ago in Mumbai. I played with myself, John Tears, Zayed Khan, quite a few other guys in the competition that they had, for the street kids with the tennis ball. So it was a lot of fun, and I'm sure, this league is going to be no different. So thank you for the opportunity that you've given me to come and play again. And hopefully, like I said, we can inspire these youngsters to bigger and better things. So enjoy the launch. We'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Thank you.
To tell the truth, I think in the next few weeks I might be one of the few that will be feeling like a kid again, playing with the tennis ball. Something that everyone, when we started cricket, I started cricket also, same thing back at home in Zimbabwe. We used to use the tennis ball, and now, I rewind 20 years later, I'm back doing what I used to do when I was young. So to everyone who's organized this amazing initiative, I would like to thank them so much for this opportunity, and definitely looking forward to coming back here and enjoying with each and every kid that is going to be involved in this program. So thank you so much. Shukriya.
जैसा कि वेंकी सर ने बोला, दिलशान सर ने बोला, गेट सर ने बोला और मफू ब्रदर राम राम, आप सभी ने 1996 में सर वर्ल्ड कप खेल रहे थे। 1996 में हम कई गांवों में कॉस्को बॉल से खेल रहे थे, तो वो पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होंगी इस लीग के द्वारा। बट मैं ये समझाना चाहूँगा कि जो मेरे साथ हुआ है, मेरे साथ जब मैं कॉस्को बॉल से खेलता था तो अपने क्षेत्र में मैं काफ़ी नामी प्लेयर था, बट अगर मैं अकेडमी नहीं जाता तो शायद मैं इंडिया नहीं खेल पाता। तो इस लीग के माध्यम से लेजेंड्स और जो गली क्रिकेट प्लेयर हैं, आपस में जो इंडिया खेला है उसकी सोच और जो गली क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं वो हेल्प करेगा और उसको प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा कि वो भी अकेडमी में जाए, उसको एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है तो वो अवश्य देश के लिए खेलेगा। तो मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा लीग का कि उन्होंने मेरे को इनवाइट किया, और मैं शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा कि ये लीग सफल हो और आने वाले टाइम में इस लीग के द्वारा देश के लिए काफ़ी टैलेंट निकले। थैंक यू सो मच।
क्रिकेट खेलते थे तो हम सोचते थे कि यार ये देखो सचिन कितना अच्छा खेलता है, वेंकटेश प्रसाद कितनी अच्छी बॉलिंग करता है, एंड आई वाज बॉलर, एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एडमिट वेंकी भाई मैं आपको कॉपी करता था। सो हम लोग सोचते थे कि यार कभी अपन आ पाएंगे या नहीं आ पाएंगे, हम तो नहीं आ पाए। बट ये विजन था कि गली में जो क्रिकेट खेलता है ना, जो क्रिकेटर गली में टेनिस बॉल से खेलता है, प्लास्टिक बॉल से खेलता है, किसी भी ऐसे बॉल से खेलता है जो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्रिकेट का हिस्सा नहीं है, एक्चुअली भारत में क्रिकेट जीवित ही उन खिलाड़ियों की वजह से। जस्ट इमेजिन करें कि उन खिलाड़ियों को आप निकाल दें सिस्टम से, कोई क्रिकेट में जान ही नहीं बचेगी। जो 22 खिलाड़ी, अवाना भाई नाराज मत होइएगा, जो 22 खिलाड़ी खेलते हैं ग्राउंड के अंदर, क्रिकेट उनकी वजह से जीवित नहीं है, क्रिकेट जीवित है 50,000 की जो दर्शक दीर्घा है उसमें जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं, और उन्हीं में से आ गए ये रमेश, सुरेश और मुकेश। और ये रमेश, सुरेश और मुकेश को ढूंढकर प्रोफेशनल स्टेज पर लाने का काम कर रही है लेजेंडरी पीटर, उन्हीं के फॉर्मेट में, उन्हीं के स्टाइल में, टेनिस बॉल में। अब अगर सिर्फ रमेश, सुरेश और मुकेश खेलें तो फिर क्या मजा आएगा। रमेश, सुरेश और मुकेश के साथ क्रिकेट के महारथियों को आना चाहिए, जिन्होंने अपने बचपन में भी रमेश, सुरेश, मुकेश की तरह टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट से खेला है। तो ये एक पहल है जिसमें हम उस ब्रिज को, उस गैप को हम कवर कर सकें और दोनों के बीच में ब्रिज बन सके। लेजेंड्स और जेंजी एक साथ एक ही टीम में एक ही गोल के लिए, एक ही विजन के लिए खेले और दुनिया के सामने आए। हमारा जो स्लोगन है, जो हमारा नारा है, गली से टीवी तक, ये मैं समझता हूँ कि जस्टिफाई करता है हर उस बच्चे को, हर उस लड़के को जो गली में खेलता है खुद को सचिन तेंदुलकर समझता है, स्ट्रेट ड्राइव लगाता है। स्ट्रेट ड्राइव की सबसे ज़बरदस्त प्रैक्टिस ही गली में होती है क्योंकि अगल बगल मार नहीं सकता। बहुत सारी ऐसी यूनिक चीज़ें हैं जो गली क्रिकेट से निकल कर आती हैं या टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट से निकल कर आती हैं। आज बहुत सारे ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जो भारत के बहुत गौरवशाली कप्तान रह चुके हैं। महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट जो है उसका आविष्कार ही वो टेनिस बॉल से हुआ था। टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट को लेकर हमारा एक और विजन है। वो विजन है कि जैसे अभी हम जो कर रहे हैं, दिस इज आवर फेज 1। लेजेंडरी T10 का ये फेज 1 है जो हम इंडिया फॉर्मेट में कर रहे हैं, जहाँ 6 टीमें हैं, राजस्थान रेडर्स, बंगाल टाइगर्स, मुंबई स्टार्स, रॉयल चैलेंजर्स दिल्ली, देन MP स्पार्टन्स एंड सदर्न यूनाइटेड। ये 6 टीमें मिलकर इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं लेजेंडरी T10 में। इसके बाद हमारा जो दूसरा विजन है, दैट इज द फेज 2, वो है लेजेंडरी T10 वर्ल्ड। So once we are done with this legendary T10 India in the month of July, we are going to start legendary T10 South Africa, we are going to start legendary T10 UK, legendary T10 USA, legendary T10 Sri Lanka, legendary T10 New Zealand, legendary T10 Caribbean, legendary T10 USA। पूरे दुनिया में legendary T10 के अलग-अलग फॉर्मेट्स। एंड देन दिसंबर के महीने में हर जगह से जो विनिंग टीम है उनको मिलाकर लेजेंडरी T10 का वर्ल्ड फॉर्मेट करेंगे दुबई में। दैट इज आवर विजन। 2025 की बात कर रहा हूँ, T10 क्रिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं। बहुत जल्दी मैच खत्म हो जाता है, बहुत तेजी के साथ प्रोग्रेस करता है। उतनी ही तेजी के साथ प्रोग्रेस करने का विजन लेते हुए यहाँ पर आपके सामने उपस्थित हैं।
बल्ला पकड़ना सीखा था गली क्रिकेट। ऐसे ही गली के छुपे हुए सितारों को ढूंढ कर हमारी तरह प्रोफेशनल स्टेज पर ला रहे इंडिया का पहला प्रोफेशनल टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट लीग, द लेजेंडरी T10। इस लीग में मैं मुंबई स्टार्स की टीम को जैसे कैप्टन लीड कर रहा हूँ। मेरे साथ मेरी टीम में खेलने के लिए जल्दी से रजिस्टर करो, फिर साथ मिलकर देखते हैं क्रिकेट की नई कहानी, गली से टीवी तक।
In England, first professional tennis ball cricket league. The Legends T10 is staged for the legends to live or to relive their childhood memories, and the dream come true for the street cricketers to play alongside the legends of the game. Get ready for your journey from Cali to glory.
Sorry I can't be there tonight, but I'm very excited to be joining India's biggest tennis ball cricket league, the Legends T10. I know that so many careers have started in the gullies of India, so I can't wait to experience it for myself and be a part of all the action. So, see you soon. G'day guys, Aaron Finch here. Sorry I can't be there tonight, but I'm very excited to be joining India's biggest tennis ball cricket league, the Legends T10. I know that so many careers have started in the gullies of India, so I can't wait to experience it for myself and be a part of all the action. So, see you soon.
Conversation. Tennis ball cricket is extremely important. I think everybody needs to be playing tennis ball. Even today, the best of the players, best of the international players, I've seen a lot of Indian cricketers practice with tennis ball. And what happens? Why is that they all practice with tennis ball, or why is it important to play with tennis ball? Is just that I think the hand-eye coordination, it develops hand-eye coordination. Okay, you understand the bounce of the tennis ball, where you can start playing your cuts and pulls, which generally you don't do on Indian conditions or in subcontinent conditions, playing with leather ball, because there's not much of bounce. And suddenly when you go to these countries like South Africa, England, Australia, New Zealand, and so on and so forth, you have to face those deliveries which is coming to your throat. So that's where I think tennis ball cricket, playing with tennis ball helps you. And it's not just about batting or understanding the bounce. It's also about, I feel, catching the ball with soft hands. Isn't it? Yeah, it's extremely important, and that's why it's very, very important to play with tennis ball and have the experience of playing
with tennis ball. I think Chiranjeevi made a very good point that that it's a great opportunity for tennis ball players to rub their shoulders with the legends who are standing here, and also the Pathan brothers or Shikhar Dhawan, and so many of them who are also going to be part of this. And I think one of the best players, when it comes to leather ball cricket, playing those cut shots was, as I said earlier, it was Gundappa Vishwanath. And I'm sure he learned the trick by playing tennis ball cricket. So that's one of the reasons why I think it's important to play tennis ball cricket, and it's important to encourage players to play with tennis ball, and this great opportunity for the tennis ball cricketers to play this Legend Z T20 tournament.